There are many parts of our speech that serve as the building blocks for sentence structure. Pronouns are one of the important components. As a reminder, in our previous lessons, we've covered the use of first-person pronouns, including singular and plural pronouns like I, we, and us, and possessive pronouns like my and mine, as well as second-person pronouns like you, your, and yours, and third-person pronouns like he, she, they, and theirs. When your child understands and begins to implement pronouns in their speech, we want to help encourage them to start using more complex phrases. This has several benefits for children. It helps them more clearly express their thoughts and ideas, gives them the ability to lengthen their sentences, and improves their confidence. When working to improve a child's communication skills, we want to consider what stage of speech development they're currently in. Why? Because we always want to focus on helping them reach a goal that is one step above their current skill level. For example, if they're currently saying one word at a time, we want to start encouraging them to use two-word phrases. If they're consistently using two-word phrases, we want to encourage them to start using 3- and 4-word phrases. So how exactly do we do this? One way to do this is by supplementing their speech when they're asking for something. For example, if your child commonly just says milk to request that they're hungry, model back to your child, my milk, or I want milk every time they make this request. We can use similar phrases no matter whether your child is asking for a toy, a treat, or to be picked up or held. When a child begins to hear this repeatedly, they'll start mimicking your speech. When your child does use a phrase or sentence to request something, give them lots of praise and excitement. These rewards will reinforce good speech patterns and make it more likely your child will want to implement new phrases for themselves. Using pronouns allows your child to more easily express their thoughts and comment on what they see. When reading a book to your child, focus on the pictures that are grabbing their attention. For example, if there is an image of a person eating, maybe your child will say eat or eating. Challenge them to use a longer phrase or sentence. Have them imitate he eats or he is eating. For targeting even longer sentences, make the sentence more specific. He is eating a sandwich. As mentioned, remember to always work just one step above your child's current speech development. While we won't expect them to jump from one-word utterances to 4- or 5-word sentences overnight, incremental practice will accumulate over time. It takes practice and reinforcement.